Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial, let's knit together this absolutely easy and beginner friendly stitch. Look, it will be perfect for the scarf because it looks almost double-sided, and I like the texture, and it's super easy and has only 4 rows to repeat. And for this stitch you need to cast on any odd number. Row number 1, slip the first stitch, we will always slip it, and knit all stitches. And purl the very last stitch, we will always purl it. Turn. Row number 2 will be the same as row number 1, slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches. Please go on knitting. At the end, purl the last stitch. Turn row number 3, slip the first stitch, knit 1, slip next stitch holding working yarn in front, and repeat. Knit 1, slip next stitch with yarn in front, knit 1, slip next stitch with yarn in front, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, knit 1, slip, holding working yarn in front. It is important, not in back but in front. And because we had an odd number at the end, we have knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, and last row, row number 4, slip the first stitch, purl 1, slip next stitch, and this time we hold the working yarn in back. Purl 1, slip next stitch, holding working yarn in back. Purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip. At the end, purl 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. And now we only need to repeat the pattern. Knit first and second rows and then third and fourth according to the pattern. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you are for the first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I wish you all a good day and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!